Alrighty, so currently I'm barely up on my 50k account for MyFundedFutures thanks to my poor performance from the last 3 weeks, which means I still need like 2,700 bucks of profit to pass this eval to avoid the $97 rebill fee. But with this being my last week until I get rebilled, I decided just to send it and size up from my normal 3 micros to 1 mini when trading for this week, expecting to either pass or blow the account by the end of the week. This means that while I would normally expect to lose 150 bucks on a trade, now I'll lose 500, but on the upside, instead of winning a potential 300, I'll get 1,000. So those are some big numbers, and yeah, this was probably a bad idea, huh? So over the weekend, we had another fat sell-off due to Trump's tariffs and stuff, and the market tanked again. We did find a little bounce here, so I was like, maybe we'll do the same thing as last week and bounce up hella on Monday morning. So I was looking for longs if we could break and hold above the 300s, which we did break above, but price got instantly rejected, and I still entered long due to FOMO, because I was like, last week we got a fat buy up after a weekend drop, so maybe we'll get it again. But nope, instead I got slapped with a fat loss of like 600 bucks due to me sizing up, and that's a big loss for me, and I didn't take it that well. I did end up taking a short in the middle range, targeting the bottom, but nope, price bounced up before my target, which stopped me out for a smaller profit. Then I was like, nah, and tried again with this fat wick. But low-key news was coming out soon, so I just bailed out for a small profit to not risk anything. And yeah, price dropped down to my target after that. So I was going a little crazy at this point. A bit later, I was looking for price to break below these 150s for shorts, but price kind of just pumped up hella right after the break. I was really trying my best not chasing along after the fat green candles, but price shot up like 200 points in 5 minutes. And with me being down for the day, I kind of just went crazy. I kind of just ignored all my rules for the rest of the day and just took a bunch of trades like I usually do when I crash out. So yeah, that was really bad on my part. But what really tilted me the most was this short here where I managed to catch this fat red candle down and saw that potential $900 profit that could have put me back in the green just get wiped out instantly with the next candle up. I did get out for break even, but yeah, I just immediately jumped back in and long right after, which was working out, but we weren't getting that breakup I wanted, so I got sucked out for a decent profit while trailing price. This did put me up for the day, but I just kept trading anyways, really wanting to hit at least 1,000 bucks of profit today. And yeah, I'm horrible in choppy ranges, so I eventually gave back everything and more. Basically, I just kept wanting the range to break, which result in losses, and it also lets me not taking profits when I needed to, like at the top of the range here. Overall, I'd say that sizing up just made me way too emotionally invested on that PL, and I crashed out again today, only stopping because I hit that max daily loss limit of like 1,200 on the 50k account. So oops. Alrighty, so after that shit show yesterday, today I was gonna try the same size, but try to stick to my rules this time. So at the start of the day, I was a little bearish unless we could find a bounce off the 300s or 400s. And yeah, off market open, we did get a bounce, so time for longs, I guess. I first tried a long here, wanting to see price hold and bounce up to the highs from yesterday. And we did get a fat pump up, so it was looking pretty good until this fat green candle got squashed, and I just took the stop for a small profit. I probably could have held the trade, but after a fat rejection near my target, there could be more selling to push price down anyways. But no, price just pushed back up and would have hit my target, so damn. Then we had news soon, so I was just sitting out for a bit, but price just pumped up hella after that. There was really no setup, so I just had to sit there and wait. I did kind of FOMO jump into this long here, wanting that fat buy momentum to push price up a little more. And nope, we were just chopping around and consolidating here. So after waiting like 15 minutes, I decided that this would be the push up to hit my target or stop me out at break even. And yeah, break even it was. A little bit after that, this push higher failed, so I kind of forced the short, wanting to see price sweep the lows, where we did get a push down. So I was like, I'll just move my stop loss to break even because this does look a little bullish and we could still get a fat green candle out of nowhere. Yeah, that's exactly what happened. So I took the break even stop. After that, we were just chopping around some more, but I don't know, I saw this fat green candle and was like, this is the move. So I hopped in along, wanting to catch the move higher, but nope, we did nothing. So I decided just to bail out for a small loss. With that, we did eventually get the push up higher, but I don't know, I was really feeling shorts even though price looked bullish. So instead of going against the charts, I decided it would be best to stop here, where I ended the day up a little bit with a profit of 176 bucks. So yeah, it happened again today. I really just couldn't follow my rules and I didn't stick to my setups, so I was mainly just trading based off my instincts today. I'm not gonna lie, I can't really remember all the trades I took, so we'll just go over the ones I do. Originally, I was bullish on the day and was looking for the 400s or 500s as support, and off market open, I decided to jump straight along, not wanting to miss that early move up, but nope, we kind of just got stuck here and I later got tapped at break even. Then I took this long wanting price to shoot back up, and I kind of forgot that news was there, so I got lucky and just cashed out for a decent profit on this candle. After that, I kind of just threw away my plan and I went off vibes for the rest of the day. So yeah, basically just gambling because I was feeling lucky. So here with price falling back down, I did my usual bet of let's break this range, and nope, I got out for break even. But don't worry, I tried again, and this time I got stopped out for a loss. However, it wouldn't be my signature move without trying a third time, right? But yeah, price just held and stopped me out again. Then I re-entered long wanting my revenge, which yeah, did play out. So back to being green for the day. Price ended up shopping around, so of course I lost some money, and for some reason I was really feeling those shorts. So right after my long got smacked down here, I was like, now is the the time for the reversal. Our price luckily did push down to the 70s here, so all I wanted to see now was this level to crack and break below the 5-minute moving average line. And price held up here, but I was like, we'll break it eventually, right? But nope, a fat bounce came and stopped me out, so I was like, my OG plan for longs might still be valid, so I sent it in long. Where the trade did work out pretty well, but as we're getting closer to 9, I was like, I gotta dip out soon. So I had my stop loss trail price aggressively, which did get tapped for a nice profit. I did see later that we did in fact pump right after, so damn. With that though, I did end the day up somehow with a profit of 1100, which basically cancels out Monday's losses. But had I just stuck to my plan and bullish bias, I probably would be up like 2K today, so oops. Alright, so for today, it's currently the second to last day on the account, and I still need about 2,600 bucks to pass. And the market was kind of a little rangy and choppy today, which I do horrible on, so not a great day to take trades. But considering I really wanted to pass or below the account this week, I did the same thing as yesterday and Monday, where I threw away my edge as well as all my rules. So basically, another gambling session. I'm not gonna talk about the trades because it's basically just pure gambling, but you can pause now and see all of these markers exposing my trades. I will highlight this last trade here though, where I sized up even more to 2 minis. So basically, I was hella over leveraged. But since I was already down like 800 today, I would only lose 400 bucks more due to my max daily loss limit being 1,200 on the account. So I just sent it in long here. And yeah, as you can see, these candles were hella disgusting, and I just got really lucky that my trailing stop loss never got hit. Price did hit my target here for a fat profit, which brought me up for the day like 790 bucks. So knowing that last trade was hella lucky, I stopped trading here. Okay, today's the last day on the account. I still need about 1,800 bucks of profit today, so time to clutch up or just blow the account. Initially on the day, I was bullish and was looking for support at the 700s or 850s, but off market open, we kind of just pumped up, so I was like, I bet longs it is. So I got in a long off a little pullback, wanting price to break above this next level before news at 7. However, we kind of just kept consolidating, so as we got closer to news, I just trailed price with my stop loss, which did get tapped for a small profit. Then news hit, and price was tanking hard for some reason. Looking back, I think it's Trump, so yeah. And after seeing this, the rest of the day turned into a gambling session. Realistically, I probably should have just waited for a setup short and gone with the momentum, but for some reason I was like, nah, I got in long. And because it was a risky move, I just went break even hella quickly, which got tapped. Shortly after, price did drop some more, so I would have been wrong anyways. And yeah, I tried again, which was working out, so I chilled price, and yeah, I got stopped out for a small profit. But I was like, maybe I got out a little too early and tried a third time, and this time I was not lucky and got stopped out to lose all my profits for the day. But I don't know, I was stubborn and tried another long, which again got stopped out really quickly for a loss, and now I'm down for the day. So with that, I was like, fine, I'll take a short to catch the next move down, and price was dropping, so I kept moving my target down, wanting these 700s to break, and we almost got it with this candle, but it did get bought up, so I got stopped out for a fat profit. With the 700 holding, I was like, this is the reversal, and nope, took a small loss here. But I still like the longs here, so I tried again off another bounce off the 700s. This time it was working out, so I trailed price up and ended up getting stopped out up here for a decent profit. However, again, I was still liking the reversals and tried one more long, but just got out for break even. So with this fat rejection, I was like, maybe we can get another move down, and jumped in short. I also didn't even need another full move, just 40 points to pass the 50K account, but price was holding up here pretty well, so I got out at break even and ended up switching up into a long, which yeah, we bounced up to hit my target for the final 800 bucks I needed to pass the account. And yeah, I might have gotten lucky with the volatility and moves today, but hey, at least I'm up 1,800 bucks on the account and passed, so I'll take it. Also, in honor of passing the account, I'm also giving away 150K account for MyFundedFutures, so fill out that form in the description labeled Gamba before Friday the 14th, and I'll announce a winner later that Friday, aka Valentine's Day. So yes, I passed the 50K account, which means no rebill fee and no activation fee because there isn't one on MyFundedFutures. And I know I rushed the process and did get hella lucky this week, but hey, I'm basically funded again, and next week I can just chill with my 3 micros again. Also, this week definitely was interesting because while I didn't really listen to my bias or plan most of the days, I still managed to make the needed 2,700 bucks of profit to pass, mainly because I sized up, gambled, and got lucky, which wasn't really the plan. Yes, I wanted to size up, but I still wanted to try to stick to my edge. But honestly, when I was seeing that PL flicker by hundreds on just price moving a few points, I just couldn't control myself.